In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic, okay? Without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube, how you can start for beginners, step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can choose profitable affiliate links that will help you earn commission and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. Okay, I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake, and as you can see the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, and as you can see in my balance I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, go to Google. So step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. Okay, so as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Okay, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go to we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links. Okay, so you need to create a YouTube channel. It's super easy. Okay, so why I choose YouTube? So let me show you. So did you know that YouTube has 33 billion monthly visitors? So much traffic. That's a really a lot of traffic. You can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it in the right way. Okay, as you can see, 33 billion monthly visitors every single month. 33 billion people are visiting YouTube, scrolling on YouTube, searching for services, topics, searching for products, and so much more. Okay, that's why I choose YouTube. Okay, and of course number one is Google. Okay, and after Google, YouTube. That's why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links for free using free traffic. Okay, so what we will do, so to choose a profitable affiliate links that will earn you commission, go to YouTube and use YouTube search. Click on the search. That's what I do. I click on the search, I ask question how to create, for example, how to create gaming, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. YouTube, so as you can see, people are searching for how to create gaming intro, how to create gaming video, how to create a gaming logo. Okay, so let's take for example this topic, how to create a gaming intro. Those people who are searching for how to create a gaming intro, what we will do, let me show you. We will go to Fiverr. I will click on the search on Fiverr. I will search for gaming intro. Okay, gaming intro, like this. So those people who are searching for how to create gaming intro, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, they are searching for how to create gaming intro. Okay, so what you will do, so let me show you. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, make sure to choose good sellers on Fiverr. Okay, Choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Let's see if we can find good seller. This one. So for example, like this one looks really good. As you can see, level 2 seller. This seller has a lot of reviews and this service is just for $10. Okay, a lot of people can buy this service on YouTube. I will click on this service. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to this seller profile page. Okay, on Fiverr, click on his video. So this seller is using a video that's really good, as you can see. And that's really good. So what I will do, I will double click and I will save this video. Okay, click on save video and save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name this video gaming intro. Save. Okay, and here you go. So what you need to do next, you need to go to Canva. Okay, we will use Canva to create a video that we will use to promote our affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. Click on video over here. As you can see, click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, so this is the video. Click on open and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Okay, so what you will do, click on the video and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 point, click on set video as background. Okay, like this. Okay, what you need to do next, click over here on text. Okay, and choose, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I will use this one. I will click on this text like this and I will click on this one. I will delete this part and I will make it small. You can decrease font size from here or increase font size of your text from here. Okay, I will put this text here, double click, and I will write here, check link in description. Check link in description. Okay, we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, and I will make this one like this. Okay, I will click on the video and I will, so it's better to not use the background music, so you will not get any copyright issue. Just remove the background music from here. Okay, click over here on volume and decrease the volume to 0. Okay, so let's check now. And as you can see, people who are searching for how to create gaming intro, they will see this video, okay, and they will see those examples of this seller on Fiverr. As you can see, this is his examples. They are really good quality intro, as you can see. That's really good. Okay, this is a good video that we will use. So after you finish, click on share, okay, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Okay, after you finish, go to YouTube, create a YouTube channel. It's super easy, okay, and upload this video and use this. So make sure to use this keyword, how to, let me show you how to create gaming. Use those keywords. You should use how to create gaming intro in your YouTube title, okay, and in your description. Write, in this video I will if in this video I will write, if you are interested to get a professional YouTube gaming intro, check link in check link below and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, okay. It's super easy. If you don't know how, I will leave a link of my YouTube video that I already uploaded in my YouTube channel in my YouTube description. I showing you step by step how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube and how you can create a YouTube channel step by step, okay. So if you are a beginner, you don't know how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, check my YouTube video in my description below. I will leave the link in my description and you will be able to start making money from affiliate marketing using YouTube. It's super easy, guys, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.